In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails with Mailchimp in this Mailchimp email marketing tutorial for 2025. This step-by-step guide will make your email marketing journey easy and efficient. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log into your Mailchimp account. It's important to have access to your account before starting, as this platform is your hub for managing everything related to your email campaigns. With your account open, it's time to define your audience. Knowing your audience is key. It allows you to tailor your emails to meet their interests and needs. Now let's move on to creating an audience within Mailchimp. From your dashboard, navigate to the audience section and click on Manage Audience. This is where you can set up your list of email recipients. You have several options here. You can add contacts by importing them from another device, upload a .csv or text file, or even copy and paste them directly from a spreadsheet. This flexibility ensures you can organize your contacts in the way that's most convenient for you. With your audience in place, you're ready to create a new campaign. Head over to the campaign section, select all campaigns and click on Create. When presented with your options, choose Email, which will guide you through crafting your email campaign. Designing your email comes next. Mailchimp offers a wide selection of templates, making it easy to start with a basic one or select a pre-designed template that aligns with the theme of your campaign. This feature saves time and helps maintain consistency in your email design. Once you've selected a template, it's time to customize the content. Utilize Mailchimp's drag and drop editor, which allows you to add text, images, buttons, and social media links effortlessly. Don't forget to customize the colors, fonts, and other design elements to align with your branding. Incorporate merge tags like the recipient's first name to add a personal touch to your emails. Previewing your email ensures everything looks perfect across devices. Mailchimp's preview and test features allow you to see your email as it will appear on both desktop and mobile. This helps in making any necessary adjustments to ensure a seamless recipient experience. Before sending, set up your email subject line, from name, and reply to address. Craft a compelling subject line that grabs attention and prompts the recipient to open the email. Ensure that the from name is recognizable to avoid your emails being marked as spam. Double check your reply to address to ensure responses are directed to the correct recipient, especially if you're sending from a team or support account. Lastly, when everything looks good, it's time to schedule or send your email. If you prefer to send it immediately, that's great. Otherwise, you can set the date and time for Mailchimp to automatically distribute your email to your audience. That's it for today's tutorial on sending emails with Mailchimp. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I encourage you to explore all the features Mailchimp offers to enhance your email marketing campaigns. Happy emailing!